Hi guys, this is engineer Raad Mutter. Today is the third day when we started to install the steel structure for our building. We started on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and you can see we installed that is the last member steel structure, and you can see it is connected together here. It's perfect. That is most important, and you can see it's tied together here and over there and over there, and now that is the last member, and now you can see the building is connected together, tied together. That means the building is square and everything is done perfect according to plan. You can see that is the another one. It's connected together and tied together perfect. You can see. So that means all the distance center to center, everything is done perfect according to shop drawing, and the building is square. The steel structure fits, no issue, and you can see everything is set perfect. Everything is good. This one is the size for the interbolt 1 inch, but the rest is a 3/4 inch. And you can see now we are working to install more steel structure members. And as I said, that is the most important connection here. You can see it's tied together. It's perfect, nothing wrong according to plan, because everything is done perfect. The elevation for the interior piers, the elevation for the exterior piers, the distance center to center is perfect. We spend a lot of time to make sure everything is done according to drawing. So I am super proud today. We installed the last part over there. It's connected together, so now the rest of the job will be the easiest way. Just tie more members and line up. Thank you guys. Have a good day.